rainy weather moving into our area today.
Let's check in with Scott Steele. Scott, what does this mean for the start of Summerfest?
Well, what it means, Melissa, Vinny, it means that we're going to be seeing some scattered wet weather around southeastern Wisconsin. You're looking at Viper Radar HD right now. And across the area, these showers and storms that were much stronger and concentrated earlier have become much more isolated. And right now, right along the Wisconsin-Illinois border, you're seeing some pretty good downpours. Problem is that that's the area that was hit the hardest this morning. There were flash flood watches issued for parts of our viewing area, southwestern Jefferson County, southwestern Walworth County, and some roads were washed out, as you saw earlier in the newscast, the dramatic video from Walworth County, also in Madison. On the campus, 3 feet of standing water, some cars floating. Right now, things have let up somewhat. Let me zoom in here using advanced Doppler 4 radar technology at the neighborhood level, and you can see from the city of Waukesha, just some scattered lighter shower activity becoming heavier the farther south you go. Just to the west of East Troy and to the north of Elkhorn, a very heavy downpour. Again, that's where some of that horrible flooding was early this morning, and then extending down through Lake Geneva. Now, the key for the rest of the day today and into the evening, if you're heading to Summerfest, is that this becomes far more scattered. So you have a pretty good chance of several dry hours, although there could be pop-up showers and storms in the instability of the day. In fact, you can see from our live tower cam number 2 in downtown Milwaukee, this is atop Discovery World Museum looking to the north-northwest, a very unstable atmosphere. It kind of looks turbulent there. It just wants to rain. It doesn't take much for some of these showers to pop up in so much humidity. So, in your weather headlines, be prepared for some fest rainfall, although, again, it will not be all day or all night. A steamy start to Summerfest and cooler air coming in time for the weekend. Outside right now, the dew point is in the upper 60s, uncomfortable for many. The temperature officially 73 degrees at Mitchell, but it's 77 in West Bend and Port. 82 right now along the lake in Sheboygan, where you haven't seen any rain at all, so you've actually seen a little sunshine to help warm you up. Right now across the upper Midwest and the north central part of the U.S., temperatures have soared into the 80s. 86 in Des Moines, also in Omaha, Nebraska. And that warm air, that leading edge of warm air, causing a lot of this instability. So when it comes to dew points, we right now are in the uncomfortable range, flirting with 70 degrees. You heard Brian talking about that at the top of the show. I'm feeling very steamy out there at Summerfest. With this instability, it doesn't take much for these pop-up showers and storms, as you can see on the satellite and radar. And as this low pressure tracks to our north, across the area over the next 24 to 36 hours, we'll have the opportunity for more of these scattered showers and storms. So for today, again, pop-up showers and potentially strong storms heading later in the day toward the evening with, again, potentially heavy downpours. Our highs near 81. We're down to the mid-60s tonight with more scattered showers and storms. Otherwise, partly cloudy and warm in between the raindrops. And tomorrow, I think much of the day will be dry, partly cloudy and warm up to near 82. But again, in the afternoon, our best chance of scattered shower activity redeveloping. And then tomorrow night, partly cloudy, seasonally warm, down to near 64. Here comes Milwaukee's one and only 3D HD 7-day planner. Looks as though we have the chance of more wet weather right through Saturday. Second half of the weekend looking to be better than the first. Sunday dry with some sunshine. But look at that. Our temperatures plummet, if you can say plummet when you go into the 70s. I mean, it has been the 80s, you guys.
That's true. Well, it'll feel like it. Thanks, Scott. Well, Summerfest is